Welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on a journey through diverse processes that shape our world. We'll venture into the fast-paced realm of automotive manufacturing, where innovation and precision drive us forward. Then, we'll explore the fertile grounds of organic farming, embracing nature while nurturing our bodies. We'll step into the future with green energy, and finally, we'll trace the life-giving paths of global water circulation. So, buckle up and join us as we unveil the intricate workings of these essential systems. Our first stop is the world of automotive manufacturing, where precision and innovation converge to create the vehicles we rely on every day. The journey of a car begins with a concept, a spark of creativity that blossoms into a detailed design. This blueprint is then brought to life by cutting-edge engineering, a world where the laws of physics meet the power of technology. Materials are shaped, molded, and joined together in a choreographed dance of assembly line robotics. Each part, each component, is meticulously crafted and assembled, creating a harmonious fusion of form and function. The heart of the vehicle, the engine, is brought to life, embodying the perfect blend of power and efficiency. Quality control ensures that each vehicle that rolls off the line meets the highest standards of safety and performance. Rigorous testing and inspections ensure reliability and longevity. The world of automotive manufacturing, where creativity, precision, and technology drive us forward. Next, we delve into the realm of organic farming, where harmony with nature is key to producing nutritious food while preserving the environment. Organic farming is not just a way of growing food, it's a philosophy, a commitment to sustainability, biodiversity, and the health of our planet. At its heart are principles like crop rotation, which refreshes the soil and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. Composting, another cornerstone of organic farming, turns waste into wealth by recycling organic material back into the soil. And let's not forget about natural pest control, which harnesses the power of nature's own mechanisms to keep harmful insects at bay. In doing so, we bypass the need for harmful pesticides that can damage the environment and our health. Organic farming is a testament to what can be achieved when we work with nature, not against it. In organic farming, we find a perfect balance between nourishing ourselves and preserving our planet. Now, we step inside a green energy plant to witness the power of renewable resources in action. Here, the forces of nature are harnessed and converted into usable energy in an extraordinary process that is as fascinating as it is sustainable. Consider the wind turbine, a marvel of engineering that captures the invisible force of the wind and transforms it into electricity. Or the solar panel, an innovative device that absorbs the sun's rays and converts them into power. And let's not forget hydroelectric facilities, where the might of flowing water drives turbines to generate energy. These technologies are not just about producing power. They are about doing so in a way that respects our environment and preserves it for future generations. They reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, decrease greenhouse gas emissions, and promote a healthier, cleaner planet. In green energy, we see a future that's not just sustainable, but also innovative and efficient. Finally, we zoom out to examine how water circulates around the world, connecting continents and sustaining life. This intricate dance begins with the sun, which heats the earth and causes water to evaporate from the surface of our oceans, lakes, and rivers. This water vapor rises into the atmosphere, where it cools and condenses into clouds. Meanwhile, the rotation of the Earth and the differences in temperature between the equator and the poles create ocean currents. These currents move warm water and precipitation from the equator towards the poles and bring cold water back towards the equator. On land, water falls as precipitation, nourishing plants and animals. Some of it evaporates back into the atmosphere, while some seeps into the ground, replenishing aquifers. The rest flows into rivers and streams, eventually making its way back to the ocean. Through global water circulation, we see how interconnected we truly are. A single drop can travel the world. As we conclude our journey, we've uncovered the intricacies of automotive manufacturing, organic farming, green energy, and global water circulation. We've seen how precision and innovation drive the production of vehicles. We've witnessed the harmony of nature in sustainable agriculture. We've experienced the power of renewable resources and delved into the complex mechanisms that circulate water around our planet. Understanding these processes paints a richer picture of our world. Join us next time for more fascinating explorations into the world around us.